in the first month of the season Parat, going forth. In the month of Badat, growing wheat. The ancient Egyptians went forth to the floodplains of the receded Nile River and planted their staple crops. Among those grown was Badat, or Batya, ancient Egyptian wheat. Badat was a hulled wheat, thus the kernel is protected with a hard shell with spikelets, which are lacking in modern wheat. Badat became the primary staple of the ancient Egyptian people in the New Kingdom, and had begun leavening bread and fermenting Hanakat beer with sourdough yeast. In the modern day, Egyptians make Aish Baladi, meaning life of the country, a flatbread made since the New Kingdom, with a modern gluten-rich wheat. Close your eyes and inhale deeply, scents that will take you back through the ages to the mysteries of ancient Egypt. This great civilization was world-renowned for products pleasing to the senses, caring for the body, and protective to the skin. Years of research and testing were committed to reconstruct the most effective and luxurious bath, beauty, and fragrance products from ancient Egypt. Satya Nacharu, sense of the gods. Bath, beauty, aromas of ancient Egypt. Find our products online at senseofthegods.com. Badat, however, survived into the modern day, with the continued use in agriculture. Known today within a family of grains named farro are Emmer and Einkorn, two species related to Badat. Durum is another related species, grown today as 5% of the global wheat supply. Khorasan wheat, known commercially as Kamut, in an ancient grain that was procured in Cairo, Egypt, with the story that it was found in a tomb. DNA evidence indicates that it is most likely a natural hybrid of Triticum durum and Triticum polonicum, known as Polish wheat. The origins of the ancient Polish wheat are unknown, but presumably originated in the ancient Near East.